Good afternoon, explorers.
Good afternoon.
We are in Hart Springs today, located in Gilchrist County, which is just about 22 minutes away from Chiefland. Yeah.
This place is actually pretty cool. We saw a bunch of pictures, so we had to come out here and check it out. It's actually one of the largest spring-fed swimming areas in the state of Florida.
And it connects directly to the Suwannee?
Yes, it does connect directly to the Suwannee. Actually, I did see on here that it actually connects also to the Gilchrist Blueway, which is 55 miles of hiking or biking.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool trail.
It's supposedly, it says it's riverfront, so I wonder if you're just along the river the whole time.
The whole scenic view,
right?
Yeah.
It's got a campground. There's some primitive camping. There's splash pads. We got all this swimming area behind us.
Yeah, plenty of activities for you and the family.
Yep, and picnic areas.
Yeah, and there are rules. It is a park.
So right now we are here on the off season. It costs $3 a person to get in. If you come after April 30th, between April 30th and September 30th, that is considered the peak season. And weekdays were $5 and weekends were $8 per person.
Yeah, so plan your trips accordingly.
Yeah, I'm ready to get in.
All right.
Sounds
good. Let's go in.
So they do have pavilions here, but it does look like it does cost money. Look on the website, they list all the prices of what each pavilion costs, and you just reserve it for the day. They're pretty big too. The open ones are $25 a day. Pavilion A or B is $75, and Pavilion A or B is $125. This is the boardwalk here. This is about a half-a-mile trail, and it goes along the Suwannee River. And when you get to the end, you'll be at the Suwannee River, I think. So let's go take a look.
How y'all doing today?
Hello.
One of the other things I wanted to mention was that you can actually get here by car or by boat. So the end of the boardwalk here is where you kind of tie off your boat. Boardwalk looks like it took a little bit of a beating from a couple of the floods that we had last year, but I'm sure it's something that'll be in repair.
You can bring your kayak or canoe here. They have a launch area over that side, and you can kayak or canoe the Suwannee yourself. During May, Anderson Outdoor Adventures, they're all over the state.
Yeah, we've had a few spring locations like Gilchrist Blue.
I think they do all the state parks.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Yeah, so
must be contracted.
They will be back here in May. That's when the busy season is, and you should be able to rent kayaks and canoes and pontoon boats. I saw from them. Now I did see you need a reservation for that one, but I would call ahead in May and make sure you don't need a reservation for the kayak or canoe either. But that's pretty cool. And then you get to do this.
We finally found the end of this boardwalk.
I guess the boardwalk is really a mile or half a mile.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get in the water, which is my favorite part of the day.
Yes, mine too.
And let's see what's under the water.
One recommendation when you come here is definitely bring water shoes. From what we're noticing, there's a lot of algae right now, and I don't know if it's just because there hasn't been a lot of people here.
That's what the lady at the desk said.
So as people come more and more, the algae will leave the water.
Yeah,
but
or butts on the seats.
Right now it is very slippery, and the water shoes have helped. I haven't slipped once. of nice about this park is that they have little areas that are really shallow. So like the kids can come and swim, and you just keep them up on the shallow areas, and you don't have to worry. See, like over here, there's a bunch of little kids swimming in the shallow area.
Into free diving like I am, and you can make it a lot further. This is really a beautiful cave. I think it connects underneath, but I have too much pressure in my head by the time I get down there, so I don't think it's worth losing my hearing.
Yeah.
It's already bad enough as it is. It's a wall, but it's covered with algae. So this is like one of the spring heads over here too. I think I'm just gonna hop in there real quick and just see what it looks like.
Out of the water once he's in. Are you ready to get out now?
I had to do it. It was nice and clear also.
Of course. And when you're done, you can rinse off in the splash pad.
He's like the guy from that sang the song Singing in the Rain.
I don't care what age you are. It's a lot of fun in this area. Alright, so we finished swimming. Gonna grab some lunch right underneath this wonderful pavilion here. It was a wonderful day here.
Yep.
As we were pointing out before, there's a little bit of algae all over the place.
Yeah.
We talked to one of the locals, and they said that this is usually about 2 weeks after the winter months because nobody's really been swimming, so it kind of stirs it up. Yeah, these bugs are atrocious. So they're all awake now too.
So about when people start coming here more, that they'll start stirring up the water, and then the algae will dissipate.
Exactly.
It's just because it's set empty for the winter months.
Yep.
So anyway, I think we're gonna eat. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button below. If you would like to come along, we go on a lot of adventures. We check out little springs, we check out big parks, we go all over Florida.
Yep, we check out just about anything there is, big and small.
Yes.
Leave a comment.
Yes, and if you did like this video, hit that like button, because it really does help out our channel, and since we were just monetized, it's starting to help out a little more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep exploring.
Yep, and we'll see you on the next one.